Good day. Please tell me about yourself and your family.
Good day. My name is Maricel Nolian Pamplona, 40 years old, married, a mother of 6 children, 5 boys and 1 girl. I have 4 brothers and I'm the only girl in the family.
Do you have work experience abroad?
I don't have, but here in the Philippines, I have to a couple for 2 years.
So, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 in the evening and I wake up at 5:30 in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and marketing at work?
Yes, I am.
So, in one week, how many times do you go to market?
Once a week.
How do you describe the kind of upbringing your parents did to you?
My parents raised me as a responsible, God-fearing, honest, and teach me how to do the house chores.
So, do they spoil you or teach you how to be independent?
No, my parents do not spoil me, but instead they teach me how to become an independent.
In Hong Kong, kids are super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. So, how would you control your temper?
My patience for the children and talk to them slowly and politely.
How would you describe your previous employer?
My previous employer are so good to me.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No,
What is your main duty?
my main duties and responsibilities is take good care of the children and the household chores.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, I
Okay,
am.
please sing.
Fly, 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 the butterfly in the garden is flying high. In the meadow is flying low. Fly, 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 the butterfly.
Thank you. And please say something to your future employer.
To my future employer, if you select me as a helper, I promise to finish my contract and I willing to extend if needed. I am responsible, caring, industrious, honest, and God-fearing. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Have a good day.
Thank you.